replaced or displaced by AI, artificial intelligence.
Natasha, so many issues on the table for those striking. I understand you are...
But the question as to how we put in place protection.
2024 is going to be a little different, I think.
According to the latest forecasts, by 2030, over 800 million professions may be on the verge of disappearance due to the implementation of technologies and AI. Let's explore together the changes that lie ahead, how society can adapt to these shifts, and what we can do to successfully meet the challenges of the future. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for engaging discussions and analyses of technological trends and not miss out on valuable insights. Number 11. Writers and copywriters. The rise of AI-powered tools has revolutionized tasks traditionally handled by human proofreaders and copy editors, posing both opportunities and challenges. These advanced tools, driven by artificial intelligence, excel in various responsibilities, transforming the professional landscape. The integration of AI into proofreading and copy editing is a pivotal moment, requiring experts to balance embracing technology with preserving human editorial expertise. While AI excels in tasks like grammar checking and style suggestions, there's a concern about compromising the unique sensibilities and creative insights human editors provide. Collaboration between human editors and AI can enhance overall editing quality. AI's pattern analysis complements human intuition, offering an exciting frontier for proofreading and copy editing evolution. Number 10. Graphic designers. The integration of artificial intelligence into graphic design introduces a myriad of advantages and challenges for professionals in the field. Artificial intelligence streamlines design processes by meticulously scrutinizing trends and user preferences, although there is a potential trade-off involving the sacrifice of uniqueness. This technological advancement broadens the capabilities of designers, leading to a profound transformation in their roles, emphasizing strategic thinking. Nevertheless, this paradigm shift necessitates the acquisition of new skills, thereby underscoring the demand for adaptable educational programs. As the landscape evolves, ethical considerations come to the forefront, encompassing issues such as data confidentiality and the nuanced impact on the creative process. Amidst these considerations, artificial intelligence elevates the client experience by delivering personalized solutions, striking a delicate equilibrium between automation and the preservation of the human touch becomes imperative for sustaining and nurturing creativity in the dynamic realm of graphic design. Number 9. Translators and interpreters. The translation landscape is evolving due to advanced language processing software like ChatGPT, providing highly accurate real-time translations. Concerns arise about the future relevance of human translators. ChatGPT and similar tools demonstrate exceptional speed and precision, offering contextually relevant and grammatically accurate translations. This is advantageous for industries and individuals needing instant and reliable language conversion. Despite technological progress, doubts linger regarding the role of human translators. Critics argue that automated systems may struggle to fully grasp the cultural nuances and context embedded in language. Language encompasses more than syntax, involving cultural subtleties and contextual nuances that machines find challenging to interpret. The impact on employment within the translation industry is a topic of discussion. While automated systems excel at routine translations, human translators remain essential for complex and culturally sensitive contexts. Their ability to interpret idioms, nuances, and contextual cues adds understanding that machines may lack. In essence, ChatGPT and its counterparts reshape the translation landscape, offering unprecedented efficiency. Balancing technological benefits with the enduring value of human expertise is crucial. The future likely involves a collaborative approach, leveraging automated systems' strengths alongside the unique insights and adaptability of human translators. Number 8. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. AI-powered robots are transforming manufacturing and assembly line jobs through advanced sensors and machine learning, promising increased productivity. Their precision and ability to handle repetitive tasks 24/7 enhance production efficiency, making companies more competitive. However, concerns about potential job displacement and the need for workforce retraining arise. While AI integration prompts a reevaluation of required skill sets, human workers' unique abilities such as problem-solving and creativity remain essential. The evolving nature of these industries may shift the types of roles available for human workers to complement AI strengths. Addressing the societal impact of automation is crucial. Job displacement can affect local economies and communities reliant on manufacturing jobs. Policymakers and industry leaders must collaborate on strategies for a smooth transition, balancing the benefits of AI adoption with measures to support affected workers. Number 7. Data entry and data processing. AI is revolutionizing data entry and processing, automating tasks for increased efficiency. Though offering benefits, this shift challenges professionals in these fields to adapt. The streamlined processes by AI in data entry tasks enhance speed, accuracy, and overall data management for businesses. However, professionals face a shift from routine tasks to roles overseeing and complementing automated processes. Adapting to this change requires upskilling and understanding new technologies. Professionals need expertise in AI systems, data analytics, and related tools to interpret, analyze, and validate results. The competitive landscape is evolving, favoring those integrating AI into workflows. Companies seek professionals adept at navigating AI systems and refining them for specific business needs. While AI excels at routine tasks, human expertise remains invaluable for complex decision-making, creativity, and contextual understanding. Number 6. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI is transforming basic accounting and bookkeeping by automating routine tasks, prompting professionals in the field to integrate AI-driven tools for relevance. These technologies, equipped with advanced features, streamline activities like data entry and reconciliation, reducing time and enhancing accuracy in financial records. The primary impact of AI is the automation of tedious tasks, freeing up professionals to focus on higher-level activities requiring analytical thinking and decision-making. This shift elevates the role of accountants and bookkeepers from routine tasks to strategic financial management. Embracing AI implies a shift in required skills. Proficiency in advanced technologies becomes crucial, emphasizing the need for ongoing training and upskilling. Professionals adapting to this shift can leverage AI to enhance capabilities, delivering more value to clients and organizations. Number 5. Customer service and support representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service, potentially reducing the need for human agents. This technological shift brings efficiency in handling routine tasks, responding promptly to inquiries, and analyzing data. Chatbots, equipped with advanced algorithms, can operate 24/7, offering cost savings and operational effectiveness for businesses. The integration of AI doesn't imply a complete replacement of human agents, but rather a redefined role. While AI excels in routine tasks, human representatives can focus on more complex aspects requiring empathy and a deep understanding of customer needs. As AI evolves, the demand for professionals managing and enhancing AI systems grows, prompting support representatives to explore new career paths aligned with industry changes. This may involve acquiring skills in AI management, data analysis, and understanding customer behavior. In summary, AI in customer service prompts a reevaluation of human representatives' roles. The evolving landscape encourages upskilling and strategic adaptation, fostering a symbiotic relationship between AI tools and human expertise for a comprehensive customer experience. Number 4. Market research analysts. AI-driven data analytics tools are reshaping the field of market research, revolutionizing the way analysts interpret trends. These tools, leveraging artificial intelligence, rapidly process large data sets, altering the conventional role of market research analysts. Their transformative impact lies in the swift identification of complex patterns, enabling quicker and informed decision-making for businesses. While promising efficiency, the rise of AI in market research prompts questions about the future of traditional analysts. The speed of AI tools may reduce demand for analysts in routine tasks, emphasizing the need for professionals to adapt their skills. This shift calls for a more strategic role, focusing on interpretation and contextualization of data. Number 3. Legal assistance. The legal industry is undergoing a transformation with the integration of advanced artificial intelligence, Key applications include contract review and case prediction, reshaping traditional legal support roles. Contract review, historically time-consuming, evolves with AI. Algorithms, powered by machine learning and natural language processing, swiftly analyze legal documents, reducing examination time. AI predicts case outcomes, leveraging historical data for insightful forecasts. This empowers legal professionals and clients, enhancing decision-making for a strategic approach to legal matters. Incorporating AI brings efficiency gains, cost reductions, and increased legal service accessibility. The accelerated pace allows professionals to focus on nuanced aspects, fostering a symbiotic relationship between human expertise and technology. Number 2, financial planners and tax preparers. The rise of AI-driven robo-advisors and algorithms is reshaping financial planning and tax preparation, creating challenges and opportunities for human professionals. AI's efficiency in data analysis and strategy generation poses a threat to traditional tasks, necessitating a reevaluation of roles. Embracing AI can enhance services by automating routine tasks, enabling professionals to focus on personalized client relationships. Differentiation in this evolving landscape lies in emphasizing human qualities such as empathy and emotional intelligence. Trust and rapport with clients, along with a deep understanding of individual circumstances, remain indispensable. Achieving a balance between AI efficiency and human touch requires careful integration and ongoing education to stay abreast of technological advancements. Compliance with evolving regulations is crucial, addressing issues related to data privacy, security, and ethical considerations in algorithmic decision-making. The future involves a harmonious blend of AI and human expertise, delivering tailored solutions and added value to clients. Striking this balance requires technical proficiency and a commitment to the unique qualities that make human professionals essential in fostering trust and delivering personalized financial guidance. Number 1, junior software developers. As technology advances, junior software developers face challenges with the rise of AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, proficient in complex coding tasks. This trend demands specialized expertise to stay relevant in the evolving software development field. AI tools, notably ChatGPT, are increasingly adept at handling intricate coding tasks, automating routine processes, and accelerating development workflows. While this enhances efficiency, it presents challenges for junior developers adapting to this evolving landscape. As AI mastery in coding grows, the expectations for developers shift. To meet these challenges, junior software developers must expand their skill sets and gain specialized knowledge. Beyond fundamental programming languages, they must delve into AI integration, machine learning, and advanced technologies. This expertise allows them not only to keep pace with AI, but also to effectively leverage these tools in their work. The dynamic nature of software development demands a proactive approach to learning and adaptation. Continuous education and upskilling become imperative as the demand for specialized knowledge intensifies. Staying abreast of the latest advancements in AI and related technologies is essential for junior developers. Additionally, cultivating problem-solving skills and creativity is crucial. While AI excels in certain aspects of coding, human intuition, innovation, and the ability to conceptualize solutions to unique problems distinguish developers. The symbiotic relationship between AI and human developers shapes the future of software development, emphasizing the importance of a well-rounded skill set. Conclusion. The video sheds light on the imminent impact of artificial intelligence across various industries, highlighting the potential challenges and transformations in the job market. As AI continues to advance, professions ranging from graphic designers to junior software developers face the risk of automation. However, the conclusion emphasizes that the rise of AI should not be perceived as a threat to human ingenuity and creativity, but rather as an opportunity for adaptation, growth, and thriving, alongside technological advancements. The call to embrace change, invest in learning new skills, and harness the potential of AI to elevate careers resonates as a central message, encouraging individuals to navigate the evolving landscape and contribute to a harmonious coexistence between human expertise and AI capabilities. Write your conclusions on how you feel about artificial intelligence and on which other life spheres it may have an impact. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.